PTSD can come in many forms, but typically what tends to happen is your autonomic nervous system gets out of whack. And you're thinking, what's the autonomic nervous system? You have the sympathetic, which is kind of your fight or flight type nervous system that prepares you for danger. And then you have your parasympathetic nervous system, which is kind of your calm, digest, and relaxed nervous system. The goal is for those to be relatively balanced, kind of like a teeter-totter. What tends to happen with our incredibly busy lifestyles, with prior traumas, with combat, if you're looking at our military folks and some of the other things, is we get way out of whack. So that sympathetic nervous system is on all the time, and it's almost impossible to get that to turn off. And that has negative side effects associated with it, because it can raise cortisol levels, it can cause issues with weight gain, it can cause difficulties with sleep, recovery, relationships. And as that continues, people can become withdrawn, they can become, unfortunately, suicidal, and can cause difficulties with their spouses, with their children, with their coworkers. One of the things we are doing here is stellate ganglion blocks. The goal with the injection is to kind of reset that nervous system. Also cuts down on certain other substances that can either cause pain, cause irritability, and so we're almost kind of resetting the nerve and cutting down on some of that neural inflammation, which can be very helpful for recovery, and usually in combination with other treatments too. So usually folks need to be doing some type of psychological intervention or counseling, oftentimes looking at other deficiencies. So hormones can be one of those. Looking at things like micronutrients like vitamin D, and really trying to optimize all of those pieces to help enhance overall recovery, quality of life, and/or longevity.